Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create an Infoboard using Query. To start, go to Insights menu and click Create Infoboard. Next, select a template from the list of templates organized by domain and function. Click the blank template and select the Designer Layout option. Select Use Query as your source and assign a name to your source. Select the required data source and write your query in the query editor. Click Run to convert the query into a tabular format. Once verified, click Save to link your data with the Infoboard. Next, let us add a widget to the Infoboard. Drag, drop, or double-click the desired widget from the component panel. Under Configuration, select the source, measures, and dimensions for your widget. To format the measure, click the Format icon. You can rename the measure, add a suffix or prefix, select the format, set the precision, and choose the aggregation type, sum, average, count, distinct count, as required. To customize the widget, under Customization, click Categorical Axis to change axis style. Follow the same steps to customize other options on your widget, such as title, background, legends, tooltips, fonts, and colors. Thank you for watching.